So now the real work begins, removing the insulation and all the other liner and debris, whether it be wood and cellulose, old bricks, old pipes, whatever's under there needs to come out. It needs to be a clean, healthy environment. During this process, we're creating negative air. We're sealing up all the outside foundation vents, making sure that they are installed so that we can prevent any of that outside air from getting into that crawl space. And then the next process, installing and putting up the borofoam. The borofoam is treated to prevent termites from gaining access through that foam board up into the wooden members. It also meets the flame spread and smoke development standards, Katie, so we look at this process, it's very involved. We install LED lighting so that it lights up our workspace while we're doing the job and gives you a good, clean environment.